iTech's Acumatica Cloud ERP solutions have been helping clients since 2015. Our team has delivered over 150 successful implementations. By leveraging Acumatica's flexible, scalable, and user-friendly platform, we integrate your entire business processes. Whether it's streamlining your operations or gaining real-time insights, we're here to empower your team to drive growth.
Acumatica is a flexible cloud-based ERP software that provides real-time visibility across your entire business by offering scalable solution that enables faster, smarter decision-making and functionality to run your business anytime, anywhere.
iTech has really helped us out immensely. Anytime we have an issue, I can pick up the phone and give them a call and they'll answer our questions or they'll walk us through the process or whatever we need.
We don't want to just make the initial software sale. We want to be with you and support you and help your business grow and become more successful.
We've helped businesses like yours achieve their goals with the Acumatica Cloud ERP. Our customer-first approach ensures long-term success after implementation. We've built a culture focused on investing in your success, becoming an extension of your mission, and supporting your business as it evolves. At iTech, we provide the expertise, value, and support you need to unlock your business potential. Our ERP solutions drive growth and long-term success. Let us know how iTech ERP solution can transform your business. Schedule a conversation with us today.